Here I have SONY Xperia XZ3 and let me show you how to set up this device. So at the very beginning, let's use the welcome panel. Here you can choose your desired language. This is the full list of available languages. In my case, let me choose English. And for example, let me choose from United States. Here you can also change some visual settings, for example, font size, display size. You can also use emergency. Here you've got the emergency color. And you can also tap get started. So let me accept the following information. Here you can use the internet connection by using the Wi-Fi, so let me do it. So you can use only Wi-Fi or you can use mobile network and Wi-Fi. In my case, let me use just Wi-Fi. You can also insert SIM card, but in my case, let me skip it. The device is looking for available Wi-Fi. Let me connect with my network. The SONY is looking for available updates. Alright, here you can copy some apps and data by using your Google account, but in my case, let me don't copy anything. And here you can sign in into the Google account. It's not necessary, but Google account enables a couple of useful features, so let me do it. Let's enter the email. Tap next. It's time to enter the password, so let me do it. Right, if you are ready, let's choose next right here. Let me tap agree to terms of service and privacy policy. And here we've got a couple of Google services that we can enable or disable. For example, backup to Google Drive, use location, allow scanning, and send usage and diagnostic data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled and let's tap accept. So here let me also tap skip to fingerprint protection. I can set up this later. Let me also skip the screen lock, tap skip anyway. So here you can tap agree to assistant voice. In my case, let me choose no thanks. And let's tap more and not now to Xperia services in my case. So here you can review some additional apps if you would like to. Here you've got the list of apps from SONY. In my case, let me don't do it. Let's just tap OK. The device is adding some finishing touches and you are ready to go. Let's tap finish. As you can see, the home screen just pops up, so now you can start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.